Hi, my name is David Pritchard. I'd like to tell you a little bit about myself. I'm the father of 3. I've got 1 grandchild and 1 on the way. I've had the good fortune of living overseas and in many places in the U.S., and I've had several fulfilling careers in my life, including restaurant management, massage therapist, and vocational rehabilitation case manager. I've spent a lot of time helping people repackage themselves into new careers. But none of these careers resulted in the financial success I knew I could achieve. I've certainly enjoyed the work I've done, and I've had the opportunity to help a lot of people during my life, but I wanted more. Financially, I wanted to be able to travel, teach, and support some people I know that are living in third world countries. In 2010, I heard about this business called internet marketing. I got really interested. I knew people were making a lot of money on the internet. I thought this is a way that I could start part-time and work my way into a full-time job. So I bought some books, videos, and started educating myself about this business. But then I got scared. I chickened out. I became paralyzed with fear, afraid I'd fail, afraid I wouldn't get any support, afraid I'd be ridiculed. Over the last several years, I tried other opportunities, but my fears and lack of knowledge stopped me. Flash forward to January 2017. I heard a radio commercial for a free 2-hour workshop about internet marketing. So the company called MOBE, which stands for My Own Business Education. I knew that people were making a lot of money on the internet, and I knew I was smart enough and determined enough to do so too. Now, like many of you, I was skeptical. So for this workshop, I took a friend along with me. I wanted to have someone there that could help me digest this information I was hearing and make a good decision. Well, it didn't take long during that seminar for me to realize that this company was different from all the other companies I had looked at. 1, they offered coaching from day 1. And 2, they offered a system. Now, as someone who had tried and failed to learn this business, this was music to my ears. I knew I was coachable, and with the system in place, I could be successful. I already knew that I had the determination to succeed. Now I had the vehicle that was going to transport me to meet my goals, to meet my dreams, make my dreams happen, to allow me to work when and where I want, to allow me to travel across the country and around the world, to allow me to offer more financial support to my kids and grandkids, and to allow me to help people in developing countries. Now, what I didn't know when I started with MOBE was that once associates reach a certain commission level, MOBE reimburses them for a brand new car. I didn't think much about it when I first started, but now that I'm at that commission level, MOBE is paying for this brand new Pathfinder. And since I can work from anywhere, I look forward to hooking up the camper and hitting the road, seeing this great country and all its beautiful sights. I know you have a million questions. The MOBE team and I are here to help. So contact me or contact the MOBE team so we can tell you what this company is all about.